Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating what you will change. Open your editor, duplicate the video, and extract the audio track into a separate file. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, scan the waveform to find the copyrighted clip, mark exact start and end times so edits are precise. Make a short safety backup labeled ORIG audio. This lets you revert if needed and establishes a clean workspace for removing or replacing the problematic audio. You now remove or replace the flagged segment. Select the region and choose Cut, Silence, or a spectral repair tool for complex overlaps. Spectral editing preserves other frequencies. If replacing, import your replacement audio and align it precisely to the marked timestamps. Make sure to add crossfades of 100 to 300 milliseconds, which smooth transitions and prevent clicks. Also normalize levels and match EQ so the new audio. You finish by checking sync and loudness. Play full video, ensure lip sync, and confirm target loudness. For many platforms, aim near -14 LUFS. Export using original sample rate and bit depth to avoid artifacts. Name the file clearly. If automated content ID still flags your video, try subtle pitch or tempo adjustments, or better, replace with licensed/royalty-free audio to guarantee clearance. If edits introduce artifacts, revert to the backup and redo the cut with shorter fades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.